SafeApp, fastest emergency support ecosystem. A lot of people in India do not ask for help in an emergency. Those who actually ask for help do not get a response. Those who do get a response, help arrives too late. Crowd, distance, speed limit, and geography of area all take away from this vital time. The current system requires an intermediary, the control room, which takes precious minutes away from the one in need. Many a times, police is not able to find the victim's exact location, or it remains a confusion in which police station's area the crime has took place, and criminal gets time to flee. In case of healthcare, it takes a lot of time in finding the nearby hospital, its contact number, calling the ambulance, reaching of the ambulance to the patient's spot. The emergency provider and user are connected orally, so it is very difficult to recognize user and analyze their situation. There is a huge difference between the standard average time set by NFRA for emergency services to reach and the actual average time here in India. We solve this. Introducing SafeApp, which uses the 5G network to remove the biggest obstacle between patients and emergency service connection, the overloaded control room. Now what you need to do, just pick up your phone and go to live.ml and sign up. Info and medical history data you give is safe and is provided to the hospitals or police stations only in the case of an emergency for quick user identification and medical history analysis for early start of treatment and informing the family. How many steps before a user gets help? Just 2 clicks and that's all. Haven't subscribed yet? Don't worry, we're here for you too. Step 1. Click on Get Help. Step 2. Click on the type of help required. Done. App will automatically track your location and find the 3 nearest hospitals or police stations and send a connection request to them. Let's see how a request looks like. Request contains 3 URLs, one for provider in the hospital for monitoring the whole case, another one for the emergency vehicle supporter for connecting with the user, the third one is for the driver of emergency vehicle for fastest route. Request accepted, emergency vehicle leaves for your location. What next? User's screen will appear with real-time high-quality video conferencing between user and emergency vehicle supporter with anomaly detection machine learning model running. Early preparation of treatment and assets required can be done by analyzing user's condition and environment from the video. Map updates the real-time location of both user and emergency vehicle and route coverage of emergency vehicle with the fastest route updating each second. So even if the user changes his location, the emergency vehicle knows where the user is and the fastest route to the updated user location. Status component shows real-time status of patient and distance and time remaining in reaching of emergency vehicle. All these components give an optimal understanding of the victim's situation. List of nearby hospitals and police station appears, which is sorted according to the distance from the user. This is the emergency vehicle supporter side of the dashboard with which it is connected to the user. Same dashboard is rendered to the emergency provider where it can access the user's emergency contacts, biodata and medical history for early preparation of the treatment and monitoring the whole case. User, emergency provider and medical supporter are all connected. So first aid tips can be given to the user and in case of a medical emergency as soon as the patient is retrieved, in-ambulance treatment can be started. Once the victim is picked up, map will update and will show the fastest route back to the hospital or police station. With 5G, it is possible for an anomaly detection machine learning algorithm to detect faces in an image or video regardless of head pose, lighting conditions and skin color and output emotions, age and sex. Where's the proof? Legal authorities ask this question a lot of times after the case. Don't worry, now you have an answer. Video conferencing is recorded of the whole case in high quality which acts as a solid proof of incident. Trail auditing of each second is done throughout the case so you have a record of what happened when. What we achieve from SafeApp ecosystem. From the conclusions from test done on 9 July 2021, we see reduction of current Indian emergency average response and connectivity time from 11 minutes 30 seconds to as low as 11 seconds. Removal of the problem of suboptimal response time of calls and calls not being answered due to overload of responders in control room, reducing it to as low as 3 seconds. 5G providing accurate real-time data with less than a percent lag is possible. Providing pure medical history info and real-time status of user for starting of in-ambulance treatment and preparing the hospital at the moment of acceptance of user request by hospital providing high-quality video conferencing with anomaly detection to efficiently understand case scenario and early preparation of assets required as per the victim's condition, which is right now not possible because the user and emergency provider are only connected orally. 5G empowers us to improve reaction times and quality of video conference on large loads. Allows our anomaly detection machine learning algorithm to take in huge amounts of data from live video stream, making its analysis and output time lightning fast and accurate, which is not possible on 4G. Our app updates the fastest route each second for the case that user keeps on changing the location. The rerouting can be done only with the help of 5G at such a speed of 1 second. Permits us to save the data like status, location, updating each second to the database, whereas this much load of data cannot be handled by 4G, where we are saving each second. 5G meets the demand of 10 Gbps speed and accelerates the transferring and saving of vast real-time data, that is high quality video stream, user records, status section and dashboard credentials updating under huge loads, which 4G cannot handle.